everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Do you guys also love ordering food from Uber Eats but hate paying the full price? Then you're in the right place. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can find Uber Eats promo code by using some website. For those who don't know, Uber Eats is a food delivery service that lets you order from local restaurants straight into your door. They also offer grocery delivery in some areas. And do you know what the best part is? You can get often discounts with the promo codes that I'm about to show you guys. So first thing first, open any kind of browser in your PC. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. And after opening your browser, in the search bar right here, start typing Uber Eats promo code. And then click on enter. Here you will be able to find a lot of websites from which I would recommend you guys use this coupon folder because it is a legit website. Simply click on it. And here you can see there are a lot of coupon codes that you can use. $15 off, $5 off, $25 off, 20% off on delivery, and many more. Here, I'm just going to use this exclusive one, $15 off. So what I'm going to do is click on this show coupon code. And here you can see this is the code that you want to use while ordering from Uber Eats. Simply just click on this copy button that you see right here. And now this code has successfully been copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste it while ordering food. And you can even click on this button right here and go straight to the official website of Uber Eats right now and use your code right away. Simply click on it. And here you can see we are on the official website of Uber Eats. Here you can log into your account and use this code. And that's how you find your working Uber Eats promo code using websites. Wasn't it easy? If this worked for you guys, please do not forget to leave a comment so that I would know that I was a help for you guys. And do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.